Day 2, we are on the maze with your guys Turn Off Road and Trail Militia. We are the two only early Broncos here, so we're gonna get rowdy with these 6G guys.
Challenge something. Feel the noise.
No feelings, I choke on the air I'm breathing. I'm done, I'm healing. Ain't nobody stopping the bleeding. Death with demons on both sides, can't think no.
Yeah, Kylie. Passenger now? Easy. Turn it in now. Turn it in. Turn it in more. Right there. Here it comes. Here it comes. You're about to start dropping down. There you go. Sit. You good? Keep it just like that, Ed. Right there. Perfect. Come down slow. now. You got this. Roll it. Keep going. You're good. Keep going. Keep going. Go driver a little. Go driver. Yeah, baby.
Oh, we roll. Hey, stop! Roll straight back.
Let off the brake. Off the brake. Off the brake.
Oh, that tire saved you. Woo.
This strange, I just can't escape screaming at my face so loud I can't hear my voice. Breaking through my mistakes, free fall into grace. I'm not insane. It's time to kill the noise.
Kill the noise.
My scars keep screaming. I live through the pain for a reason. My God, my anger, it drives me down like an anchor. I'm deaf with demons on both sides. Can't think, no angel left inside. Trapped to the static in my mind, and I can't hide. This strange, I just can't escape. Screaming at my face so loud I can't hear my voice. Breaking through my mistakes, free fall into grace. I'm not insane. It's time to kill the noise. Shut This strange, I just can't escape. Screaming at my face so loud I can't hear my voice. Breaking through my mistakes, free fall into grace. I'm not insane. It's time to kill the noise.
Kill the noise.
Breaking through my mistakes, free fall into grace. I'm not insane.
These tires up. What a day so far. We were rolling. We got to You Gotta Be Nuts. I didn't film it. I put tires on it. I didn't have the courage. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We're still having a great day. We have a ton of Broncos on this trail with Trail Militia. We have 17 total, right?
Something like that.
17 total. We've had a bunch of issues, so we've been stuck here for a while now. Old
We
man.
were doing super good until we got to You Gotta Be Nuts.
Yeah,
And
no
then
issues,
It all
yeah.
went to crap.
Yeah, good news is, old man, it's working. 4th trail, 5th trail, 5th time out. It's doing.
Running for what, 3 months now?
Told ya.
The best is probably.
Told ya. It's doing its job. We're hanging out with great people. We got one of our best buddies, JD, with us. We're having a good time. So we're gonna try to help get these Broncos on the road and then try to get off this trail. It's hot.
It is hot. We're not used to this. Spokane's not this warm.
It's like 75 degrees. So we're gonna get over here, give these guys a hand, and get on down the trail. We'll show you some more footage.
Hey,
There we go.
I'm not even online. Guard passenger. Follow for this down this wall on the left here.
Just a little bit of a problem. We've got a Bronco on its side and was trying to go up this obstacle, so they're having to winch it down.
Reverse. Hey, go around. Best we're looking at, but we just go that way. Driver. Driver back. No. Go this way. Everybody back from now on. That's during the wall.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Rock. There we go.
Well, guys, that's a wrap on part 2 of our United by Bronco adventure. We finished up the Maze Trail with the crews from Turn Off Road and Trail Militia. We had an absolute blast while in with some great people. And of course, it wouldn't be a Broken Bronco Garage trip without somebody having a problem on the trail. This time it was JD keeping us on our toes. But that's all part of the adventure. You fix it, laugh about it, keep moving down the trail. We're not done yet. Part 3 is coming, and we're heading back to the chute, the obstacle that has gotten the best of us for years. Last time we were here, we broke the 6G before we could take it up the chute. This time we got the old man. I built this one. I know we're gonna make it. The question is, are you gonna see it? You'll have to tune in to find out. Thanks for following along, and as always, we'll catch you guys on the next adventure.
There's some sediment in there, and it's kind of dark, but it's full. Okay, you want to try that again, please?
So it turned out not to be the fuel filter. That actually was good still. Well, kind of good. Good enough. There's fuel in it. And we just had some wires that got, I don't know, shook loose on trail. So they are rewiring stuff.
Okay. We got it.
Please like.
Please follow. Please subscribe.